Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, run. He is running now. Second line, rain. It is raining now. Third line, laugh. She is laughing at the moment. Fourth line, travel. We are traveling by train. Fifth line, boy. The boys are making noise. Sixth line, help. We are helping the poor. Seventh line, learn. I am learning English. Eighth line, live. I live in India. Ninth line, vote. What do you think? Tenth line, vote. What do you mean? 11th line, sleep. They sleep in the afternoon. 12th line, loves. He loves to play cricket. 13th line, go. He goes to school. 14th line, drives. He drives to work. 15th line, run. You run to the party. 16th line, eat. Do you eat ice cream? 17th line, like. She likes banana. She likes bananas. 18th line. Love. I love my new car. 19th line. Home. The children at home. 20 line. Go. The earth goes round the sun. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.